Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can flip a video in CapCut. It's very simple and straightforward guys, just follow my steps. First thing you need to do is have some clip to flip. So import a clip, so let's say this one, and then drag and drop it on your timeline. And as you can see, I want to flip this clip. So I can do it two ways. First way is just basically go over here and click on this mirror icon. And as you can see, it is flipped the other way right after clicking it. So you can click it and make it go back and forth. And the other way is rotate it. So it is the button right next to it. And as you can see, you can flip it upside down or to left or to right. So this is how easy it really is to flip your video in CapCut. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video. And I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.